Hi everyone, my name is Bhagyaraj. Welcome to Spark Academy online. I teach botany subject there, and today we will discuss about NEET or EAPCET 2025 concepts, tricks, and tips, and also we will cover some previous year MCQs with solutions. And you can visit the Spark Academy online.com for the further details. Here you can download the Spark Academy app from the Google Play Store app. Admissions are open for regular or long-term batches for 2024-25 NEET for both online and classroom coaching batches. And here in this course, you will get daily live classes, live in-session doubt clarifications, free material in our app is also available. We will provide you and tips and tricks for the respective exam which you are going to attempt. Okay. It may be JEE, or it may be NEET or EAMCET or EAPCET. Okay. Now here in this second point you have to consider here, because if for example if session is 1 hour or 1.5 hour, then last 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour we will spend for doubt clarification. First 1 hour we will discuss the concept of the topic, then after that we will provide you half an hour or 15 minutes, at least 15 minutes time will be provided to the students in every session, so that the students will clarify their doubts in the session. So this is what you have to consider. And for classroom coaching, the branches of our institute available located in Narayanaguda, Maithipatnam and ECAL. And you can download the app and purchase the course so that you will get some benefits. Free material available in the app, handwritten notes will be available, and best courses for the respective exam, 24 into 7 doubt clarification using AI. So all these are the benefits from the app and the course if you purchase. Okay, demo videos are available, study material is available, lecture videos, recorded lecture videos are available, and quick revision notes are also available. So these are some important advantages in the app if you purchase course. Here in the app, what are the options you will get? Videos are available, the recorded videos are available, live sessions are there, then live session is going on anywhere, and recorded videos are also available for you. And then test option is there now. You can click on the test option, you can select the subject, and then you can select the topic. Okay, and then in the topic, if you want to see the watch the videos, recorded videos, or if you want to write any assignment test, or if you want to attempt any test of the particular topic, any option it's your option. Okay, now if you want to attempt the test, then you can attempt the test. Then what you will get here, this analysis you will get. Actually this analysis is for the grand test or weekly tests. So if 16 members are 16 students are attempted, then out of the 16 students, what is the average time they have taken for the exam, and what is the average score among the 16 students? Okay, like that. Individual analysis will also you will get, because this individual analysis is very important to analyze yourself, to know about yourself for that exam, how much prepared you are for that exam, right? Okay, then here just now I told you, right? Select the subject, select the concept or topic you want to assignment, you want to do assignment, or you want to perform a test. So it's your option, right? So you will select the test and you attempt, and then analysis will be there in front of you, it will be shared, and then you will know which topic is a bit harder for you or which topic is easier for you, where you are losing marks, like that. Self analysis. And now here we will discuss some more important weightage of the topics in the NEET exam. Particularly we will focus on botany part here. Okay, 2025 NEET botany. How much marks or how many questions you will get from the respective topic? This is what we are discussing now. So here, what happened? Biodiversity. So once before we go into the topic wise weightage, you should know which one will comes under biology and which one comes under botany. Like that we will analyze. Actually, these are all included in botany, but the questions in exam will comes in both parts. Okay, we will discuss it later while we are going through the concepts topics. Biodiversity conservation is biology topic. Anatomy of flowering plants. The name itself stating it is botany. Cell the unit of life, again biology topic. Respiration in plants, botany topic. Microbes in human welfare, common biology topic. Cell cycle, biology topic. Molecular basis, biology topic. Principles of inheritance, biology topic. This is botany. Okay. So in this page, why we are discussing like this? What is the importance? See, whenever biology, common biology topic is there, you won't get the questions from this topic either in botany section or zoology section. Both in both sections you will get. Okay. So in both the botany section and zoology section of the NEET paper, you will get the questions. For example, here two numbers are there, right? Means what average number of questions you can expect from this topic is two. So if two questions are there in a question paper, one might be in botany section, one might be in zoology section, or sometimes two might be in botany, zero might be in zoology. Like that. There is change, but most of the cases, general biology from general biology topics, questions will be asked segregated into both subjects. This is what you have to consider. That's it. Now, here, biodiversity and conservation, we analyzed the past 5 years question papers. Average number of questions you can expect from this topic is 2. Okay, and the weightage it is carrying is 4%. And then anatomy of flowering plants. This is strictly botany subject, and you are very fortunate that majority of the portion from this topic deleted, and they won't ask questions from that topic. Okay, and it is very easy now. Nothing is there. Only 2 to 3 pages, the topic will be finished in NCERT. Okay, so here three questions. Average questions you can expect from this topic is three questions because based on the 5 years analysis, and it is carrying 7% weightage. Okay, and then this one is general biology topic, cell the unit of life. Here you can expect two questions from this topic. It is little important. Can take 5% weightage it is carrying. And the respiration in plants, plant physiology. This is very important topic, plant physiology. In plant physiology, three topics are there. Here one is respiration in plants. Second one is what? I will write it here. Plant physiology having photosynthesis, respiration in plants, and plant growth and development. So these three topics are there in plant physiology. Earlier five topics were there. Now two topics are deleted, completely deleted from the plant physiology portion. So you will get only questions from these three topics: photosynthesis, respiration, and plant growth and development. Okay. So here from each section approximately two questions you will get. Okay, lot less than two questions you will get. Very important to plant physiology. The 6 questions on average you will get from the plant physiology portion of first year botany. Okay. Here respiration. Number of questions on an average you will get is what, as I told you earlier, two questions, and then weightage will be 5%. And then microbes in human welfare. This is common bio topic. On average, you will get two questions. 4% weightage it is carrying. Microbes in human welfare, mostly they will ask you simple. It is the easiest subject, easiest topic, I think, right? It is very easy to remember. And then cell cycle and cell division. Here it is also common bio topic. Most of the times they will ask it from botany part only. 4 questions on an average you will get, because numerical questions also you will get. Sometimes they will ask you numerical questions from this portion. Number of mitosis required, number of meiosis, simple questions only, not that much complex. Okay, 9% weightage it is carrying, so it is very one of the very important topic in first year syllabus. Okay, then molecular basis of inheritance. This is common bio topic in second year botany. Here is 6 questions you can expect on an average for this topic, and out of the 6 questions, maybe 4 questions in botany per section. Okay, and then 2 questions from zoology. Like that, they will segregate the question. Number of questions varies. It may be 4 in zoology, 2 in botany, like that. But 6 questions on an average you can expect from this very important topic in second year syllabus. Okay, 14% weightage it is carried. The second important, next important one is what? Principles of inheritance. These are also very important common biology topic. On average, 5 questions you will get. Like pedigree analysis is there, na? Pedigree analysis, and then other topics are there, na? So they will ask about this. Okay, 10% weightage it is carried. Mutations, types of mutations. Under pedigree analysis, gene mutations and Mendelian disorders, chromosomal disorders are there, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Down syndrome, all those things they will ask. Okay, and then next first topic of the second year is what? Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. This one is also very important topic, scoring topic. At least 3 questions you will get from this topic. 6% weightage. Particularly, most of the times they will ask you from pollination part. Pollination part, then male gametogenesis, female gametogenesis is there, na? Ploidy. These are the very hot topics, hot concepts of this topic. Okay, so we will discuss in detail in topic wise. When we discuss topic now, there I will explain. Now ecosystem. Ecosystem, next second year last topic. 2 questions on average you can expect, and it is carrying 4% weightage. Pyramids will be there, na? Number of pyramids, number of pyramid of number, pyramid of energy, pyramid of biomass, all those things. There, those kind of examples, and that what. Then next succession is there, na? Primary succession, secondary succession. Succession is actually deleted from the ecosystem portion. Now they won't ask for succession actually. Now what is the physical factors, temperature, all those things will be there, na? So that's it. It is very limited topic now. Ecology, ecosystem functions they will ask. Okay, all those things are there. So it is very easy and simple topic, scoring topic. But questions will be damn sure. Definitely one question at least, not less than 2 questions you will get. Okay, and then morphology of flowering plants, very important topic in first year. Okay, it is one of the very important, not only important, one of the important topic. And on average you will get 3 questions. 6% weightage it is carrying. Okay, then plant growth and development. This is, as I told you, it is one of the topic in plant physiology. Okay, and from this topic also you can expect 3 questions, and 6% weightage it is carrying. Then living world is the first topic in biology, first year's botany, botany or biology. Now from this you most of the times they won't ask questions, but still there is a chance. Okay, because it is very simplest and easiest topic, right? Maybe they will ask you the characteristics of the living world, features or characteristics of the living world is there, na? Characteristics. of living organisms. What are the characteristics of living organism? Growth, sorry, growth, reproduction, metabolism, and then what else? Consciousness. It is. So these are some important points. Along with that, taxonomic aids is there, na? Herbarium, keys, all those things. From that also you can expect question. One question maybe you can expect, but most of the times you focus on second topic first from second topic. Okay. The next one is plant kingdom. In plant kingdom also very important topic because there is a lot of examples in this topic. Three questions at least, not less than three questions you can expect from this topic. 7% weightage it is carrying. Okay, don't take this topic, don't neglect it, ignore it. Then biological classification, second topic in first year. There, biological classification on an average one question you will get. Okay, 3% weightage will be there. The next one is organisms and populations. Here also you will get two questions on an average. And 4% weightage is that there is a lot of things you have to remember. You have to remember in organisms and populations, like Van Humboldt, species dynamics, all those things will be there, na? So all those things you have to remember. It is very important topic. In 2024, more than two questions are covered on this topic of organisms and populations. Photosynthesis and air plants we discussed, right? Plant physiology, three topics are there. Photosynthesis, and an average two questions. See, in plant physiology, if you've completely prepared without missing a single line from NCERT, you will get six questions. Okay, you can attempt easily six questions. 24 marks, 6 questions is not a simple thing. 24 marks, a single mark, if you lose, then it will drag down several thousands of rank. It may be 1 lakh rank below you will get there. So, how much, that much competition is there, right? So, in such condition, if you focus completely without skipping a single line from NCERT in plant physiology, you will get 6 out of 6 questions correct answers. So it is not a simple thing, don't ignore it. Okay, so this is what you have to focus. Now here, this is how we analyzed. If you look at the paper number of questions from each topic in 2019 to 23 papers, NEET papers, previous years. So then you will know that 2019 biodiversity and conservation, or three questions were there, and in 2020 two questions were there. 2021 not zero questions. 2022 three questions were there, and in 2023 two questions were there. On an average, 10 questions are covered for the past 5 years. So in the next 2025 exam, how can you expect how many number of questions from this topic you can expect? Averagely, it will be two questions you can expect from this topic. Okay. Next, anatomy of flowering plants. In this 2019, four questions were there. And again 2022 4 questions asked, 2022 3 questions asked. Okay. On average 15 questions are asked in the last 5 years. Average number of questions you can expect from 2025 it is 3 questions you can expect. See, this is not simple. Now you can prepare it easily. There is nothing left. What is the issue systems are there, and then directly anatomy of dipod, monopod, root to leaf step. That's it. Only this much. Earlier tissues are there, meristematic tissue, simple tissue, permanent tissues you have to read, and then again you have to go to what secondary growth, wood, all those things are there. Everything will be deleted. What these simple topics are there. So if you prepare you put a simple effort, no, then you will get perfection in this topic. Okay, 2-3 questions means not a simple one. 3 questions means what? It is very very important. 9 marks, 12 marks you will get. Okay, and then cell the life unit of life, right? Here this is very important. 2019 5 questions were there. 2023 2 questions. 2021 also 2 questions. That's it. One question. So total number of questions asked from the past 5 years is 11. On an average number of questions you can expect from this topic is 2 questions you will expect. Okay. Then respiration plans, as I told you, average number will be 2 from this point, not less than 2. Definitely you will get 2 questions at any cost. Okay. Don't skip these 3 topics. Next, microbes in human welfare. 5 questions in 2019, and then 2023 nothing asked. Okay, number of questions asked so far in 5 years is 9, and average number of questions you can expect 2, but at least 1 question you will definitely get. Okay, I can't say 2 questions definitely you will get, but 1 question at least you will get from this topic, definitely you will get. Next, cell cycle. This is very important. See here, the number of questions are keep increasing. 2024, 2021 5, 2022 4, 2023 6. Okay, total number of questions covered from this topic is 21 in 5 years. Average number of questions you can expect is 4, because there is a lot of scope of questions. So many questions you can fit from this topic. Next, molecular basis of inheritance. I told you already the importance of these topics, right? 5 questions, 9 questions, 7 questions in 2023, 6 questions in 2022. See here the importance. 32, highest number of questions covered so far among all topics, right? 32 questions are covered, and average number of questions you can expect from this is 6. Principles of inheritance, genetics. Next, what are the genetics? 6 questions in 2019, 6 questions in 2022, 5 questions in 2023, the same I think 4 to 5 questions in 2024 also. Total number of questions covered is 23 in last 5 years, and number of questions, average number of questions you can expect is what? 5. Next, next topic is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. See here, average number it is always 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. 14 questions covered from the past 5 years. 3 questions on an average you will get. Okay. Next, ecosystem is there. In an ecosystem, the number varies. That is average 2 questions it is. So the number of questions you will get from the ecosystem is 2. Last 5 years, how many number of questions covered? And 10 questions covered. And then morphology of flowering plants, average number of questions, 3 questions you can expect. 13 questions are there in last 5 years. Okay. And then next, plant growth and development. See, the average number of questions you can expect 2 to 3 questions definitely you will get from this topic. Okay. Morphology, sexual reproduction, flowering plants, molecular base of inheritance, genetics, principles of inheritance. So these are the hot topics. right. Next, living world. I told you already that average questions they won't frame. If question come, then I told you the topics. No, from there you can expect one question. Okay, mostly they won't ask for this topic. Then plant kingdom. In plant kingdom also it is very important. One of the important first year botany. 3 questions on an average you can expect from this topic. If you look at the number of questions asked is 5 in 2021 highest, and it remained 3 in 2022-23, even in 2024 also plant kingdom. I think 2 questions were there. Okay, and total number of questions framed from this topic is 60. Average number you can expect is 3. Okay, then biological classification. Average number of questions you can expect 1. In biological classification, what happened? The kingdoms were there, right? Monera kingdom, and then Protista is there. Okay, then fungi. These 3 kingdoms, and finally lichens, virus. Are there. Now, from these parts, you can expect 1 question. It may be match the following, or it may be statement-based question. Like that, in different pattern, they will frame the question from these parts. Okay. Most of the time the question will be multi-conceptual, like that. Okay, so on an average total number of questions covered so far from this topic is 7 from the last 5 years, and you can expect 1 question at least from this topic in the 2025 organisms and populations. And here highest number of questions asked in 2021, 2023 3 questions were there. Okay, and the total number of questions asked is 10. Number of questions you can expect is 2. At least 2 questions definitely will be there in the 2025. 2024 it is 3, I think, questions. 2 to 3 questions asked in 2024 even. Okay, and then here photosynthesis in higher plants, as I told you, average number of questions you can expect from this topic is 2. Definitely 2 questions will be there. Okay, now here this is about the course Yuddham. Lowest price available in the market, it is 4,999. Okay, without late, without any second thought, purchase the plan, purchase the course, and you can join for the batches for EAMCET or EAPCET, Telugu and English medium both. Okay, even for 4 autumn batch also same it will be. And what are the course plan? What you will get in these courses? Daily live classes by the best teachers in the industry, the market. Solve all your doubts in class. See, I told you in the beginning of the class session that if the class session duration is 1.5 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, last 20 minutes, at least 15 to 20 minutes we will give you. Okay, we will provide you 15 to 20 minutes duration. Okay, 20 minutes time in the period for doubt clarification. Not even the current session, last session, or any doubt if you have, you can ask in that way. So that what happen, interaction between the faculty and students will happen, and you will get perfection in the topic. That is what the meaning of this doubt class. Live quizzes will be there, interactions will be there, interaction with other students, interaction. Okay, and live quizzes will be there. How much how fastly you are analyzing the question, how fast you are doing the answers, solving the questions. This is what you will analyze yourself. Okay, next you will be provided with shortcut methods and tricks for solving questions quickly. This is very useful, and you will get it. Why it is very useful? Because 3 hours 20 minutes time duration, you have to solve how many questions? 45 in physics, 45 in chemistry, 45 in botany, 45 in zoology. 180 questions you have to solve in 3 hours 20 minutes. So obviously for a medical student, BPC student, what happened, it will take lot of time for the physics part and chemistry part. So if you are taking too much time for physics and chemistry part, then even though if you know the questions and answers in biology part, then you will not get enough time, right? So time management is very important. How to maintain time? How we can maintain time? How we can manage our time? That will you learn. The same time, how to solve the physics and chemistry numerical problems. Even in biology, and some numerical problems will be there. Lot of memorization is required in biology part. How to remember it? All these tricks and tips will be given. Okay, and then study material will be shared. Study material will be there for the course, and also 24 into 7 doubt clarification through AI bot. Okay, if you have any doubt when you are reading some concepts at your home, you can open the app. If you purchase the course, then you can access it, and then inside that you type that out, then AI related answers will be given to you. Okay, special workshops and extra classes during these vacations, holidays are also provided. If any students, if your students wants extra classes in these holidays, your college is vacation holidays are there, that's holidays are given in your college. So you want some extra preparation, extra classes you want, then you can ask the concerned department or a concerned administrative staff to uh, schedule a class like that. Then focus on previous year questions and important models. So for each topic, previous year questions we will discuss so that how questions were framed we will know. Right? Personalized coaching will be there. Personalized coaching, how we will get personalized coaching we will do. See here, just now I told you that in the app tests are there, online tests, assignments are there, right? And also after conducting the weekly tests, grand tests, all those things, na? So you will get your marks, right? Subject wise marks, total marks. So those analysis chart will be discussed with the students, and mental so counseling will be provided. Counseling will be given to student as well as the parents, and where you have to focus, what happens, all these things we will give you. That is what the main. And even dedicated helpline will be there. So with that also we will provide all the related. WhatsApp group will be created for the group. Each batch separately uh, added to the group, and individual students you can share their doubts or share their information, whatever. Okay, chapter wise test will be there, weekend test will be there, grand test will be provided. Okay, these tests you have to attempt without fail. Then post exam counseling guidance, this is what I explained. Okay, every exam, after every exam you will get counseling and guidance will be provided. Complete online study material is also provided. Online study material you will get it through the app, and the recorded classes available in case students miss the sessions. Don't worry about the session. See, for example, if it is a classroom coaching and today you missed the class, maybe it is botany class or physics class, whatever it is, if you missed, then that's it. Yes, it is very difficult to arrange one class or same class again for one student or two students, right? So in case of online classes now, it is not going to happen like that. N number of times you can repeat the same class because it is being recorded, right? So this recorded class is available in the app, and you have the access if you purchase the course like that n number of times until you are perfect in that topic. Then personal mentorship, regular interaction with the parents is there. Every day to day updates will be shared with the WhatsApp. Everything will be shared with the parents and the students as well, right? And daily assignments will be provided. Once, for example, today we discussed about plant physiology and photosynthesis, right? So today if we completed photosynthesis, any part, small part portion of the photosynthesis completed, then the respective to that are the, at least for previous year, previous part will be there, na? previous lessons, any questions will be assignment given, 20 questions or 30 questions, 50 questions, like that. N number of questions will be provided to the students for the assignment. They have to practice these questions at home after classes, at your convenience. Okay, like that, daily assignments will be given. What is the methodology at Spark Institute we use? The basic concepts. First we will start with the basic concepts, and we will analyze how much depth knowledge, in-depth knowledge is there, how much knowledge is there in the concerned subject, and then based on that we will start with the basics of concerned subject, and then shortcut methods. If a person is good at subject, then we will boost his performance by giving some more tricks and tips, shortcut methods. And then all model questions we will give you. All model questions means what? See, for example, simple single answer based questions will be there. Means one statement will be given, under that four options will be there. You have to opt any one option among that, which one is correct, like that. That is one. All are MCQs one. Then second one is what, they will give you match the following. You have to match it. Second one, third one is what? Statement based questions. Statement based questions, again several types they will ask, right? So like that, all types of questions will be being practiced by you, so that you will get expertise in that. Then exercise questions will be provided for every topic. N number of exercise questions will be there. After the EYQs will be practiced. Chapter wise tests will be provided. Okay, weekend test and grand test, and finally test analysis. So all these benefits are there with the course. Here, this is the schedule we prepared for the batches, online batches. See here, this weekend one, week 1, week 2. First week and second week we given for plant kingdom. Then week 3 and 4 for morphology of flowering plants. Okay, and then for week 5 and 6 it will be anatomy of flowering plants. 7 and 8 cell the unit of life. 9, 10 plant physiology. So 2 weeks will be provided for each topic. And then respiration plants also 11 to 12 weeks. And then week 13 and week 14 will be provided for plant growth and development. And the reproduction in flowering plants 15th 16th weeks. Genetics and evolution 17th 18th week. And the ecology and environment 19 and 20 week. So like that, 2 weeks. So before we start the actual process of the coaching course, so we should know what is the basic details of the NEET exam, right? NEET pattern. How the NEET exam pattern will be see here. So in the NEET paper, 4 sections will be there, 4 subjects will be there: physics, then chemistry, then botany, and then zoology. 4 subject questions will be there. Each subject 50 questions from each subject. 50 questions will be given. Out of 50, they are divided into 2 sections: section A, section B. Section A will have 30 questions. All 30 questions you have to attempt. Section B have 20 questions. You have to attempt 15 questions. Okay, so this is the question paper pattern in all subjects. In every subject, it may be physics, it may be chemistry, it may be botany, or it may be zoology. Each question, each section will have 50 questions, and these 50 questions distributed in 2 sections. Section A will carry 30 questions, section B will carry 20 questions. Section A, there is no options. Out of 30 questions you have to attempt. Okay, 30 questions you have to attempt. And in section B, there is a choice will be there, like out of 20 questions you have to attempt any 15 questions. Okay, and this is the case for the question paper, number of questions and how many number you have to attempt. Now 30 questions, from section A, 15 questions from section B, 45, right? So 45 from physics, 45 from chemistry, 45 from botany, 45 from zoology. So total number of questions, it will become 180 questions. So what is the total number of questions you are attempting? Total number of questions in NEET to attempt 180 questions. This is what you have to remember. Now botany 180, zoology 180, physics 180, chemistry 180. Marks, these are marks. How it is? 45 questions into 4 marks. How much it will be? 180. So each question, one question will carry 4 marks. See here, correct answer you will get 4 marks, wrong answer you will get -1 mark. So if out of 180 questions, if you attempted 100 questions correct in all subjects together, if 100 questions are correct, then 100 into 4, it will be 400. Understand, right? If it is 120, then what it will be? 480. If it is 150, then it will be if it is 150, then what? 150 into 4, 600 marks. So what is the minimum marks you required to get good rank, means good rank as well as a seat in a very good college, is 600 marks. If you really want a good seat, means a seat in a good college, government college, minimum criteria, minimum marks you need to get is 600. Okay, 600 plus is very important. So out of 180, 150, how many questions you are attempted? 150 questions are correctly attempted, then you will get 600 marks. To attempt 150 questions, 45 questions from botany, 45 questions from zoology, 90 questions here. If you are correctly attempted 90 out of 90 questions from biology part, then there is a chance of getting at least 100 or 120 marks in physics, 140 marks in chemistry, like that. Then it will be boost up your marks. So this is an exam pattern. So total number of questions will be 180. How it will be 180? 45 questions you have to attempt out of 50 in physics, 45 questions out of 50 in chemistry, 45 questions out of 50 in botany, 45 questions out of 50 in zoology. So total number 180 questions. Okay, and then correct question answer will be plus 4 marks you will get, and a wrong answer you will get -1 mark. So whenever you are attempting any exam with a negative marking, make sure that you are attempting the questions which you are surely know the answer. If you are 100% sure about the answer that it is correct, yes, it is exactly the correct answer, then only you have to attempt. If you are in dilemma, if you are in doubt in 2 options, then you don't attempt to, don't depends on your luck, right? Luck won't work in this exam. If you are 100% sure, then you have to attempt. If you are not, then you skip it. That's simply you have to skip it, because if you skip the question without attempting, there is no loss of marks. Simply skip it, right? That is what you have to keep it in mind. So this is the exam pattern, NEET exam pattern. Same here. This is EAMCET NEET. EAMCET exam pattern. Here in EAMCET, 40 questions in botany, 40 questions in zoology, 40 questions in physics, 40 in chemistry. So 40 questions in case of EAMCET, and 45 questions need to attempt in case of NEET. That's it. And there is no negative marks. 1 mark for each question in all subjects, and then no negative marks and no negative marks for wrong answer or unattempted questions. 120 questions will be there. 120, yeah, 160 questions will be there. 160 questions, 160 marks. That's it. Okay, this is what you have to remember. And don't forget to join with the Yuddham or Poratam batches for EAMCET or EAPCET, JEE, Telugu and English medium, both mediums. It is available for lowest prices in the market. If you compare the price rates, course rates for the same batches or same course, then you will be fascinated that here we are providing the same course for the lowest price, 4,999 only. Okay. Simultaneously for Poratam also, lowest prices are available, 4,999. You can purchase the course without hesitation. You just purchase it, buy it for both EAPCET, BPC and the NEET. English medium, Telugu medium is available, and click here to join the program. Now, what you will get in this program, in these courses, you can see here, daily live classes by the best teachers, solve all your doubts in the class. See here, for example, 15 to 20 minutes in each batch we will be provided for the doubt clarification, so that the student can interact with the faculty members to clarify their doubts. And then live quizzes and interactions will be there. Shortcut methods and tricks will be given for students who are for example, particularly in physics and chemistry, there is a lot of tricks required, right? Then study notes will be shared, and 24/7 doubt clarification with AI. Special workshops and its extra classes during these holidays also provided. The students are demand, then we can provide extra classes for these holidays. And focus on previous year MCQs also, and important models. Different model questions also we will give you, so that you will get an idea. And personalized coaching will be given for individual students. WhatsApp group will be created for all the batches separately, and in that batch all the information about the course, materials, questions, assignments, test papers, whatever required for the course we will give through that group. Individual sharing will be also be there if you demand. Chapter wise test, weekend test and grant test will be provided, and post-exam counseling guidance will also be included. Complete online study material is also provided. Recorded classes available in the recorded classes. This is a very good facility, because in classroom coding what happened, one day if the class done, then it is done, that's it. We can't revert it back, right? And it is very difficult to convince the faculty members for your absence. It is very difficult to conduct the same class again and again. Very difficult, right? But this is not same with online classes. You can repeat the class n number of times in your convenient time at your home also, because each and every session going on in the live stream, live classes will be recorded, and it will be available in the app. If you purchase the course, then you will be having access. Personal mentorship for students, regular interaction with the parents will be there. So each and every details, performance details, activity purpose, everything details about the student will be shared with the parents as well as student. Okay. And daily assignments will be provided to the students, so that they will upgrade themselves. Here Spark Academy 2024 results, if you look at it, yes, TS EAMCET results, if you see the graph from 2021 to 2024 now, so it is keep increasing always. See here, it is keep increasing like this. It is going 96% in 2024, and 2021 it is 93%. 3% increase is there over the past 4 years, right? And this is year-wise percentage in the selection percentage. This is the TS EAMCET selection percentage. And JEE main results, percentage of students qualified for the JEE mains is 72%, highest percentile 99.6%. This is very good percentile. Percent of students who improved from the first attempt is 87% is there. Percent of students who got above 95% IL is 42%. Number of NIT seats predicted 20. We have predictions around 20 plus students will get NIT seats, and percentage of students in top colleges also increased from 84% to 92% from the past 4 years, right? If you look at the graph, you can clearly see it. Percentage of selections for NEET results 95 to 98, 3% increment is there, okay, from the past 4 years. Here, highest rank in engineering is 758. Percentage of selections 96% it is there, and the highest rank in medical is 882. Selections to top colleges is 92%. So you may think that 882 highest rank in medical, this is highest rank. But if you once attempt the NEET exam, then you will understand 24 lakh students are attempted. In that 24 lakh students, you are getting 882 all over India. Then it is really great. It is the efforts from both the faculty members of the institute, Spark Institute, as well as student, right? 630 is the highest score, very good score. The percentage of qualified students is 98%, and the number of medical seats so far we got is 32. Very good number. It is highest rank is 758. If you want to go through these rank list of testimonials, then watch here. The WhatsApp channel is also there for the institute, and YouTube lecture notes will be there. YouTube lecture notes are there, free resource sheets will be there, free materials will be there, all latest updates will be there for the WhatsApp channel. If you want to join, you can scan here. Okay, contact my details are shared here. Sparkacademy.com website you can visit, or you can contact the administrative department of the organization, and WhatsApp.com channel. So this also, through this also you can join the WhatsApp channel. Okay, so here get free resource sheet here. By clicking here you can direct it to the resource sheet, and there you will get this data, all playlists of YouTube, chapter wise weightages, handwritten notes, important updates, all these things will be there. You just simply click on this link, that's it. And this is a small brief about the Spark Academy EAMCET 2024 best results. And don't forget to subscribe and join the course. This is the best offer you get in the market. Thank you everyone. Thank you all. We will meet in the next session.